In this video, we're going to build a formula inside a table, and we're going to use structured references. Structured references are references that happen inside your formulas, which refer not to a specific cell address like O6, but instead refer to the column heading of a table column. In this case, we want to create an average for our customer service survey questionnaires. We also want to calculate a commission amount based on a commission percentage and the amount of profit on a vehicle. Let's start with the commission amount and the profit. To do this, I'm going to say equal to. I'm going to click on the commission percentage, and notice that it gives me at com percentage, which is the column heading with an at sign in front of it, instead of N6. The at sign means use just this row. If there was no at sign, it would be referring to the whole column. I'm going to multiply my commission percentage times my profit, which is again at profit, and that pretty much is my formula. And because it has the at signs, my table can automatically copy this down, and it will work for every row. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and notice that it's going to recalculate my commission for every row using at com percentage times at profit. Cool. Let's do the average over here. In this case, I'm going to use a function. So I'll type equal and then type in the average function and hit parenthesis. And then I'm just going to select the range off of my table. But notice that because I'm selecting inside the table, it's giving me, again, a structured references. In this case, it's saying table 1 at customer service question 1, which is this heading, through customer service question 3, which is this heading. And I can go ahead and close my parentheses and hit enter, and it'll copy that down. So perfect.